In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Atome bill with InstaPay. To get started, open the Atome app on your phone. If the app asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log in so you can access your billing details. Once you're inside the app, look for the Bills tab and tap it. This is where you'll find the payments connected to your account. Next, check under either the Upcoming tab or the Active tab to view your future installments. This helps you confirm which bill you're about to pay, especially if you have more than one scheduled payment. When you find the installment you want to settle, tap Pay Now to move to the payment options. From there, choose Bank Transfer via InstaPay as your payment method. After selecting it, the app will generate a unique 16-digit account number linked to Asia United Bank, or AUB. This number is important because it acts as the destination account for your payment. Carefully copy the full 16-digit code exactly as shown. It's a good idea to double-check it before leaving the app to avoid transfer errors later. Now, open your preferred Philippine mobile banking app or digital wallet, whichever one you normally use to send money through InstaPay. Once you're in, navigate to the Send Money feature or the option that lets you transfer funds to another bank. The wording may vary slightly depending on the app, but you're looking for the bank transfer section. When asked to choose the receiving bank, select Asia United Bank or AUB. In the account number field, paste the 16-digit code you copied from Atome. Make sure there are no missing digits or extra spaces. After that, enter the account name exactly as required in the payment details shown by Atome. Accuracy here is important, since mismatched information can delay posting. Next, type in the exact bill amount you want to settle. Be sure to enter the exact amount shown in Atome, since even a small difference may affect how the payment is processed. Once everything looks correct, review the transfer details one more time and confirm the transaction in your banking app or wallet. After you've completed the transfer, keep your transaction receipt or screenshot for reference until the payment is reflected in Atome. Processing is often quick with InstaPay, but giving it a little time can help if the update is not immediate. And that's it. You've successfully paid your Atome bill using InstaPay.